Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the stock market. Oh my god, this week was amazing, guys. This week was so amazing, and for everyone that was buying those small caps in the recent weeks, so congratulations. You might have made a lot of money, but of course it's risky. We are still in a risky market, my friend. So is this just a bear market rally? Is this now the new bull run? Are we coming back? So here on the screen you see CD PROJEKT Red, and I thought I have to show you this chart again. So I wanted to talk not too much about CD PROJEKT Red today, but as you know, I'm also invested in the stock, and I know a lot of my viewers are, and you're very interested in the stock. So guys, what do we see now? So it is possible that with 82 zlotys we have seen the bottom here. So it's very much possible. I'm not putting my hand in the fire, of course. As I said, I'm not a financial advisor, just a YouTuber, a retail investor myself. This entertainment and this for info entertainment, so let's call it like this. But what happened? We broke through the Fibonacci retracement. You see this big red block, and we jumped already here. You can see there was some support line or resistance line from the downside, from the upside it's then a support line. So we broke through this, so at 125 zloty. So, and I think this is impressive. So I do not exclude that we are falling back a little bit. So guys, I really do not exclude this, but I just think at this point, I'm just so interested to see if it's from a technical point of view, if it's just accelerating then here on the Fibonacci retracement line. This would be super interesting to see, my friend. So yeah, on the other hand, nothing actually really new happened with CD PROJEKT Red. So we know they announced some titles, so some new games, but nothing really special. So we just see, for example, here with the news, original Witcher game is being remade from the ground up. So it better is remade from the ground up, because let's be honest, the original Witcher game wasn't that amazing. So it was to be nice, so it was really not good. So guys, also here I think that might be interesting for you to have a look. Whoop. So here we go, to have a look at some of the stocks performing yesterday. This was done on Friday, so also the day before yesterday they performed already massively, but I don't have those data anymore. So yesterday you saw Unity Software came back actually to $32. Very interesting. 60-70% only in one day. So Unity Software is a stock that the ARK that Kathy Woods with her ARK fund is invested in. So I'm also invested in it. I really like it. So I'm happy that this stock actually comes back. So it was once at $150 now, and it fell massively. So of course I think a lot of people have big losses in this stock, though media and games. So I'm not so interested in this title, but also came back 6%. Tencent, a Chinese gaming company, so 6% as well. The Chinese stock in general went up very nicely actually yesterday. So but we're still at values that are way far away from where we have been before. CI Games came back with 6%. I'm invested in Tencent and CI Games, as I told you. AMD also almost 6%. Sony the same. GameStop, no, nothing to say about GameStop, you all know it. And Logitech, I was actually surprised to see Logitech with 4.5%. Starward Industry, also this is a gaming company that's creating one title yet now, a Polish gaming company, The Invincible. They haven't created any games yet, so but we will see. I guess The Invincible seems or has a lot of potential to become a very interesting game. So it's difficult to say if if Starward Industry is overvalued. And we have Corsair, Naken, of course. I'm also invested in those. Also Starward Industry, I'm invested. I'm in Corsair invested. Naken, I got Naken for free with my Bigben Interactive stock. So otherwise I wouldn't have bought it yet, because I think there's still some downside. Corsair, I'm also very happy that we see that it finally might come back. Take-Two fell actually beginning of the week massively. Now we have also back again slightly. NVIDIA the same, semiconductors as AMD, so they had a very difficult year. Then we have Embracer Group, the Swedish big gaming holding, Koch Media, and what is it, THQ, Ubisoft. So I made a lot of videos about Ubisoft, so interesting also that they come back. Then CD PROJEKT, just talked about it. Rovio, they make Angry Birds, the whole Angry Birds franchise. It's a Finnish gaming company. Team 17, of course, you know, they have a lot of indie titles, also very interesting. British gaming company Capcom, 11-bit, Electronics, Activision Blizzard, nothing to say about. Activision Blizzard is just a question, if the deal with Microsoft go through, then yeah, everyone won in the arbitrage and gets the cash. Paradox Interactive, Frontier, those games, the gaming companies, most probably you know. If not, then I could make dedicated videos about them. I think I already made some dedicated video about Frontier, but I'm just making also new updates, of course, of those videos. Focus Home Entertainment, good company. I don't understand why it's 0 now here. And then Zynga obviously not trading anymore. I have to erase this from my list. Square Enix, Ultimate Games Digital, Bros, Playway, and Bandai Namco. So this is a list with gaming stocks I'm following, and some of them I'm invested. I have this in the description of this video. So I would say, my friends, we also jumped now to the Nasdaq. That's always interesting to see. Also, I put some Fibonacci retracements, but I think the Nasdaq could deserve a Fibonacci retracement. So here at 1000 I started, and if you look actually with the Fibonacci retracement at the Nasdaq, this is of course mere technical analysis. So then I would say we could still fall to the 10,200, and it's still possible that we will see the 8,300. All of this is very much possible, so I'm not excluding that we go directly now in a bear market, in a bull market rally. I think we can still have a bear market rally here, so all of this is possible. But if I'm just looking at this candle, at this massive candle up, this looks already good. So we might see, if we would go back to the 13,000 and then consolidate a little bit around here, trade a bit sideways. Also, if the inflation data continues to drop, and then JP is not going to hike the interest rates so much in the future. I mean, that's very important. So also, guys, here, look at Tesla. It's not a gaming stock, of course. Maybe it's a gaming stock. I mean, you can play games in a Tesla. But here, if you have a look at Tesla, you see it's at the very interesting point. So at 180, Tesla came back $180. So if Tesla would fall through this, 135, 150. So just from a mere technical analysis, I know some people don't like technical analysis. They would say, no, yeah, but you have to look at the numbers, PE, forward PE, cash flow, all of this, guys. Yeah, that's good. I'm not a financial advisor. I look at this, but I cannot give you any information based on those numbers, because if all stocks go up, all stocks go up. Let's be honest. So sometimes they trade much more to technical analysis than to just those numbers. So what is my opinion about FTX? Well, I've seen a lot of financial YouTubers, my friends, being sponsored by FTX, and then I always thought, like, so what the heck is going on there? Why is FTX spending so much money on those financial YouTubers? Everyone was sponsored, so at one point. So if you look at them, I'm not naming them now, but all the American big YouTubers were sponsored by FTX. So yeah, well, that happens. That happens obviously if you have if you go too much leverage probably in. So this is the Bitcoin, and therefore the Bitcoin, not the Bitcoin, dropped, and now we are around about 16,800. I would say if we fall to 11,000, that's 11, 12,000. That's the spot where I'm going to buy some more. now I can also wait. So now I actually don't care. So I don't have to jump in. But I want to see actually that we then fall to the 12,000. And then I know a lot of people have lost a lot of money then at this point, especially if you compare it then also with some altcoins, some coins, so SHIT coins we call them. But I still believe in Bitcoin, and for me that's a very long time investment, and all of this is part of it. So either it works, either or it doesn't work. Either it works or it doesn't work. So, but therefore always invest diversified. Take care, my friends. Don't invest all in crypto. Don't invest all in gaming stocks. Always diversify nicely over with an index fund, etc. So that's what you can take for recommendation, diversification. All right, guys. So with that, I'm leaving it here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. A little bit more crossover mixed. So therefore, if you came for the CD project subject, so I hope you also got out some other interesting information. So thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.